Good morning, children. Please open beta page number 69. 69. Lesson number 13. Tenses. First read these sentences so that it can be more clear to you what are the tenses. Read the following sentences. I write a letter. She sings a song. In B box, I wrote a letter. She sang a song. I shall write a letter. She will sing a song. In first group beta, if you find write and sing, what they tell us, they are action words actually, and again what they tell that the action is taking place in present time. So these verb belongs to the present tense. Same way in this wrote and sang, again tell us that the action had already taken place in the past time. The verb belong to the past tense. What this tell? This tell as wrote, sang tell us that this belong to the past tense. Shall write and will sing, again tell us about the action will happen in future time. So these verbs belong to the future tense. Always remember beta, there are three types of tenses. First is our present tense, then is past tense and future tense. Verbs have a different forms in different tenses. Okay, if you find here also, here in present tense, in simple present tense we have a write. Okay, its second form of write is wrote. Okay, so different. Now come to the next topic, that is your verb form. When we talk about the grammar of verbs, we often use the following words: base form or infinitive, present participle, past tense, past participle. Again here, this is a base form from where the word is, again the verb is originated. Base form is this sing. Okay, and present participle of this sing is singing. Then past tense sang, and past participle sung. Now see all these different verbs forms in sentences. She sings a song. She is singing a song. She sang a song. She has sung a song. In first, this is a simple present tense where we use a first form of a verb. Always remember beta, write down in your notebook also from where you can learn. But always remember, when we are using this simple present tense, we always use a first form of verb with s or es. If suppose your subject is he, she, it or any singular, then we put the s or es with the first form of verb. Okay children, next comes arbiter. Whenever we are using continuous tense, whether it is your present continuous tense, whether it is your this past continuous or your future continuous, we always use the first form plus ing. Suppose if I want to write here sing, okay, what it will be? Singing. Okay, he will be singing a song. And when we are talking about the simple past tense, we always use a second form of verb, simple past tense. Like what is the second form of sing? Sung. Okay, then comes our beta regular verbs. Most English verbs form their past tense and past participle by adding ed to them. Such verbs are called regular verb. Remember, the verbs which form their past tense or the past participle by adding ed, they are called as a regular verbs. Suppose laugh, laughed. Okay, past and past participle again made with the help of by adding the ed. Okay, the then it's live, lived, lived, paint, painted, painted, serve, served, served. If I will say want, that will be wanted. Okay, so remember one thing again and again. I'm telling you that regular verb is that which again make it past tense and past participle by adding ed to them. Then comes our irregular verbs. With irregular verbs form their past tense and past participle by changing the vowel or consonant sound. Okay, like awake, awoke, awoken. Here your vowel sound, okay, a is changed to o. Okay, awoken. Awake means that word is changed. Begin, began, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Break, broke, broken. If you find here in all these, our vowels are changed to make a new verb, to make a new this past tense verb and past participle verb. So there are so many, just read by your own. This is your homework, beta. Now move to the next page. Again, there are few beta irregular verbs that do not have different forms but only one form. Okay, like cut, 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 hurt, hurt, sorry, hurt, hurt, hurt. They remain same in all three forms. Now come to the word game. Complete the word ladder with the past tense of the following verbs. Means you are supposed to fill these with the past tense. First is your stood. Again it ends with the d. So which letter is here? Drink. So again, what is the second form of drink? Drank. Okay, now it ends with the k. So k is your keep also, no also, but we'll take keep. Why, I tell you now afterwards. Again, keep, second form of keep is kept. So it ends with the t. Now we'll take a t. What is the second form of take? Took. So no, what is the second form of no? Knew. So this is the reason why I have taken again, what is the second form of this win? One. Okay, then fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Again, in this exercise also, beta, you have to fill with the past tense. First is I. What is the second form of write? Wrote. I wrote the letter. He bought a book from the shopkeeper. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. They began their journey. He went very late to school. We ran after the thief. He read a book of poetry. Though again this word is written as a read, but second form we read it as a read. Okay. Then is she came very late to the office. My aunt sat on a mat. The dog bit her. The carpenter made a good table. He saw a rainbow in the sky. He left the room suddenly. The teacher taught English to the students. He brought her sister to the party. This was all, children. Write in your fair books. Have a good day.